Here's problem 1 from the 2018 AMC 8. An amusement park has a collection of scale models, with ratio 1 to 20, of buildings from around the country. The height of the United States Capitol is 289 feet. What is the height in feet of its replica, rounded to the nearest whole number? The choices are 14, 15, 16, 18, and 20. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The ratio 1 to 20 means the replica is 1/20th the height of the real building. So to find the replica's height, we divide the real height by 20. Now we divide 289 divided by 20 equals 14.45 feet. Rounded to the nearest whole number. That's 14 feet. So the height of the replica is 14 feet, which is choice A.